Condor vs. Vulture. Aerial predators unveiled. Condor. Vulture. Species includes the California condor, Gymnogyps californianus, and the Indian condor, Vulture gryphus, among others. Encompasses various species of large birds of prey, often carrion eaters, found in both the Old World and the New World. Geography primarily found in the New World, particularly in the Americas. Found in both the Old World, Europe, Africa, Asia, and the New World, the Americas. Size among the largest flying birds globally, with impressive wingspans. Generally large birds, though not as extensive as condors. Head typically have feathered heads, often characterized by naked or partially naked heads. Carrion diet predominantly scavengers feeding on carrion, dead animals, known for their carrion-eating habits, helping clean up ecosystems. Cultural significance held cultural and symbolic importance among Native American tribes and Indian cultures. Often associated with scavenging and occasionally depicted negatively in culture. In the realm of avian scavengers, condors are the majestic rarities, while vultures are the unsung heroes of nature's cleanup crew. They each have their wings in different leagues,